My mom's birthday is coming up, so I wanted to gift her something for her garden. She loves gardening, doing yard work. They have a ton of like trees and bushes that she has to kind of tend to, so I thought this would be the perfect gift idea. It is garden shears, but they're foldable. So when they fold, it's super convenient because obviously like the sharp part isn't out, and it's super small for you to be able to like put in a shelf or keep in your garage or hang up or whatever. Let me unfold them and show you what they look like unfolded. Okay, this is what they look like unfolded. So they're pretty big, which is good because she has a lot of like heavier duty trees and bushes. So I wanted something strong. Like this blade is nice and thick. It has the wavy shear here, and then it locks. So when it was folded up, one of them unlocks and then the other you just hit the button and then it unfolds, which is nice. I love the locking mechanism so that you like don't accidentally get cut and stuff. The brand sent me these ones to test out, and I'm gonna gift it to my mom since she's big into yard work and stuff, but they are really good quality. They are heavy duty. Like I said, the blade is nice and thick, so I think it'll be great for the outdoors.